What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. It's a video about nothing. I've been playing with this thrift store Firebird that I scored. Kind of no pressure, just something to do. This one was it came with, most of it was sealed in the bag, but it was missing all of the engine stuff for the V8, but it had the cool straight six that I didn't really want to use it for this. I mean, come on, this thing needs something else in it. And I found, in my usual suspects, I found something that fits really well. I mean, amazingly well. You know, I'm not that shocked because, I mean, it's an AMT kit. It's, you know, probably an AMT. I have no idea what it's out of. Purists might get upset that it's not, the alternator's on the wrong side and it's not the correct shade of blue at all. But whatever, it fits. Hood closes. That's what I'm going with. Not really started per se. I've got everything off the trees and all, but you know, ready to prep, and it's piles and stuff glued on the rear pan, and that's kind of about it. Whether or not I finish it in a timely manner, who knows? I'm not really that concerned with it. I think I'm going to keep it pretty stock. I mean, I went through, as I usually do, I'll, you know, go through the wheel and tire options and what's on the tree and what I have in the stash. And you know what? I think I'm just going to go with those PMD caps. Why not? Put a little red and maybe gold splash right there in the middle, and there you go. Pontiac Motor Division at its finest. What do I want to do with the actual finish? A lot of it just comes down to what I have on hand. I'm running out of supplies here and not really any hopes at the moment of re-upping on them. I've got other stuff that is taking priority over this modeling. So I would like to do the white with the blue stripes. We'll see if these decals, I don't know, they look halfway decent. I don't have enough material to do a blue masket and then white. I just don't. So kind of rethinking it. I might even go not you know, the total beater rust bomb, but weathered, let's say, you know, a under construction car, something that gets driven but it's not show quality. Who knows? That's really about it. You know, got something going here, and what time scale I finish it on, I don't know. I'm not really that worried about it. Just thought I'd make a little video and let you guys know I'm still thinking about the I posted on the community tab about doing a live thing, you know, a live chat on a regular basis. Feel free to comment down below and let me know what you feel about that, what you think, if that seems like a good idea or if it just whatever. That's about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.